Guys, welcome back to my vlog. So I recently get a homework again, and right now I'm in Sultan's boarding house. As you can see, this is evening. I plan to do my homework in here, and oh, it's raining. So yesterday in Saturday, I went I went to the Mid Mall and watched Demon Slayer in theaters. As I thought it was good, the movie was good. I give it 10 out of 10 because Akaza has a sad backstory. That is a banana tree. So about the movie, it was it has a flaw actually. It has a lot of flashback, and the pacing is not really good. So I think it's 8 out of 10. I only like the Akaza backstory, but the other backstory it was no, it's not. I just think it's not neat the way they wrap it up. So this is my friend Ibad.
Hi guys.
He was playing a game.
No, I'm watching there, yes.
He's lying all the time. Yeah. So guys, that's 3 minutes. See you on my next vlog.